5 animal superpowers that sound completely made up, but are 100% real. By the end of this video, you won't believe what nature is actually capable of. Let's begin.
Number 5. A creature with 24 eyes and no brain. The jellyfish. Box jellyfish have 4 sensory structures called rhopalia, each containing 6 eyes. That's 24 eyes total, more than any vertebrate on Earth. Some can see color, some detect light, and some form actual images. Yet jellyfish have no brain, no central nervous system, nothing to process what all those eyes see. So how do they navigate? Each rhopalium acts independently, triggering swimming reflexes without a single thought. They hunt fish, avoid obstacles, and migrate through oceans using a visual system with no operator behind the screen. 24 cameras connected to nothing, and it works perfectly.
Number 4. An animal whose skin is literally made of teeth. The shark. If you've ever touched a shark, it feels like sandpaper. That's because shark scales are called dermal denticles, literally skin teeth. Each one is structurally identical to a tooth. Enamel on the outside, dentin inside, and a pulp cavity at the core. Millions of these microteeth cover the shark's entire body, arranged in rows that channel water so efficiently they reduce drag by up to 25%. This design is so effective that swimming sharks barely make a sound. Engineers have tried to replicate dermal denticles on airplane wings and ship hulls to reduce fuel consumption. A shark doesn't just have teeth in its mouth, it's wearing teeth like a suit of armor, head to tail.
Number 3. An animal that never fully falls asleep. The dolphin. Dolphins are mammals, which means they breathe air. They can't just stop breathing underwater. So evolution found a workaround: unihemispheric sleep. A dolphin shuts down one half of its brain at a time, while the other half stays completely awake. One eye stays open, monitoring for predators, while the other rests. After about 2 hours, they switch sides. This means a dolphin is never 100% unconscious. They've been documented doing this for their entire lives, weeks, months, years, without ever experiencing what we'd call a full night's sleep. During this half sleep, they still swim, maintain formation with their pod, and can even respond to signals. Imagine sleeping with half your brain while the other half drives a car. That's a dolphin's entire life.
Number 2. A creature that breathes through its backside. The turtle. Specifically, the Fitzroy River turtle from Australia, which can stay underwater for up to 3 weeks without surfacing for a single breath. How? It uses a process called cloacal respiration. The turtle pumps water in and out of its cloaca, the single opening used for digestion, reproduction, and excretion, and extracts oxygen directly from the water through specialized blood vessels lining the walls. Up to 68% of the turtle's oxygen intake comes through this route. While other turtles surface every few minutes to breathe, this one just sits at the bottom of a river, breathing through its rear end for weeks. It sounds like a joke, but it's a highly efficient adaptation that gives these turtles access to underwater habitats no predator can reach.
And number 1. A bird that lives in water so toxic it will dissolve human skin. The flamingo. Lesser flamingos feed in soda lakes like Lake Natron in Tanzania, where the water has a pH of 10.5, nearly as alkaline as household bleach. The lake temperature can reach 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Salt crystals form on anything that touches the water. Most animals that enter die within hours, yet flamingos thrive here. Their legs are covered in a thick, scaly skin that resists the caustic chemicals. Special salt glands in their heads filter out excess salt, excreting it through their nostrils. They feed on algae that grows in the toxic water, algae that turns their feathers pink. A lake that kills almost everything else on Earth is their ideal dining room. They've turned a death trap into an all-you-can-eat buffet.
5 animals, 5 superpowers that sound impossible but are completely real. Nature doesn't need special effects. It's already more extraordinary than anything we could invent. Subscribe for more.